I decided to clean the oil space of my industrial sewing machine for the very first time. So, this is what I'm going to be doing in this video. You're welcome back to my channel. This is Tbel Kuto. Thanks for liking, for subscribing, for your thoughts in the comment section. God bless you. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I've been using my industrial sewing machine consistently for like 2 years or 2 years plus, and I never thought of cleaning the oil space at all. And so I decided that the new year gift I'm going to give this machine is to give it a clean before using it properly this new year. So here is the inner side of the sewing machine, that is the oil space and where the residue, the debts are. This is what it's looking like, and I just said I'm going to clean this thing this year, 2023. It's about to go down. You're about to get clean. Let's get started. Right now, right now, right now. Don't mind me. So there's a screw underneath the machine where I'm going to unscrew, and the oil is going to drain inside this container in my hand, because I'm still going to pour back the oil inside the oil space once I'm done cleaning the dirt. And this is where the screw is, the very place my screwdriver is touching. That is what I'm going to unscrew for the oil to drain inside the container that I am holding beneath the oil storage of the sewing machine. Once I was done unscrewing, all I did was to wait for the oil to drain through. It was quite fast anyway, sha. Once it was done, I had to put a rag underneath that space so that it won't stain the floor. I went in search for a bowl and I kept it underneath it for the remaining oil to drain out. This is the filter of the sewing machine. It prevents dirt from entering into the machine directly, just to protect the machine, I think. And you can see the way the oil is dropping inside the bowl. The next thing for me to do is to clean out the dirt with this napkin. It took me some time, but I just needed to speed up the video so that it won't be looking so boring for us. And I took my time to clean, use my brush to clean the hidden holes, the hidden angles, pull out the pins that are stuck in some angles where my hand couldn't reach with my seam ripper. It's very dirty. Wow, I can't believe I used this machine to this extent. You see that there too, it's very, very dirty. And I kept cleaning and cleaning till I got to the level of satisfaction. And you can see what I have now. It's quite clean. So I'm still going to clean it once more. But the next thing I want to do is to unscrew the foot part of the sewing machine. I don't know if it's the foot parts, or I'm going to unscrew that place. I have these three screws, the bigger one, the medium, and the smaller one. So I'm going to be using the medium one to unscrew the machine plate. Yeah, that is what is called the plate. So I'm going to unscrew that very place because I need to bring out the depth at that angle also. So I'm just trying to remove the other plates, and I'm going to move my camera closer to where it is. You can see that there are debts hidden there, and I was already having issues with the thread of my machine cutting consistently. So maybe this is one of the problem or the reason why the thread is cutting consistently like so. I hope once I'm done cleaning this thing, it will start working properly and effectively. So once I was done with that, I went in again the second time to have a clean of the inner side of the machine again, because I don't know when next I'm going to be doing this, honestly. So I just had to take my time to clean it up thoroughly for it not to give me any issues at all again for this year whatsoever. So I took my tissue once again to dry up the inner side of the oil space or oil storage, just to give it a thorough cleaning once again. And this is what it's looking like after cleaning everything. I think I'm okay now. I'm satisfied. I've gotten 99.9% of the dirt out. So I'm going back to screw where the oil drainage is. I'm going back to lock it up with my screwdriver, and what I did after then was to pour the oil back inside. Yes, the oil is still very much more useful for me. So I'm checking if it's draining out, and it's not. I'm cleaning up the oil drops. You can see the indicator of the high and low of the oil level. You can see the oil level that is still quite high, it's not low. So if I pour this oil away, I'll be wasting oil, and you know what the economy is in today's Nigeria as it is. So I'm going to screw back in the plates like so. I'm just going to do it quickly and reset my machine back together. I'm also going to clean up this area, clean up my screw. Then the next thing I'm going to do is turn it on and just try it out if it's working. You can see the way the oil is. What I did was to make sure the oil circulates round once again before I start using it properly. So I hope this video helps someone out there in case you're scared of cleaning up your sewing machine yourself. I bet you it's very easy and you can do it yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Till next time. Bye bye.